Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to set up the date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down, choose here the general management, tap date and time. As you can see right now, you've got automatic date and time. So if you would like to choose your manual date and time, let's disable this option, and here you can set the date, set the time, and select the time zone. Here you've got all the time zones from your device. That's it. Let's go back. Let me use the automatic date and time. In most cases it's better. You can also use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. It also depends on your choice. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.